everybody. We are so happy now. The sun just came out and we have had 2 days of cloudy, misty rain
and colds,
and
running
cold,
noses.
running noses, you know.
Yeah, we promised you would do this video at the Great Zimbabwe.
We promised that we will do this video at Great Zimbabwe, so now here we are.
This is Nyamaropa.
This is Nyamaropa.
Full
version.
Forward Kwenda Style.
Forward Kwenda Style.
Enjoy Forward, you relax. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Forward.
Thank you so much, Andy.
I'm going to put you on the spot here. I'll put myself in the frame as well. Nyamaropa.
Yes.
Can you tell us something about the meaning of those words and also what the song means to you?
Yes, I'll start with the meaning of the words. The meaning of the words is just, they mean nothing, really. They are just ha here, all day. And in the past years, they found it to be the stupid words that are sung with Mbira, but this is very meaningful. Although the words themselves mean nothing, but it's very meaningful to the singing of the Mbira. This was the first impression singing of Mbira ever that was sung long ago, so I heard.
So you're talking about the singing
The
words
singing
there.
words, the ha ha ha, yeah ha ha. And I've got this chance to just maybe explain a little bit about this ha ha hey ha ha. I'm trying to make it easier for everybody who is, totally in love with Mbira playing. It's like someone can play very well, but the words, the Shona words can be very complicated for everybody, and yet they want to sing. And this is my thinking about this time with my friend Andy, that maybe if we start with the ha ha he ha ha, the stupid words, anyone can then enjoy playing Mbira and playing and singing as well together with the Mbira. You don't need any explanation of the words because they are just there, and they are just, all you need to is to smoothen up your lips and go ha ha yeah ha ha oh ha ha, just that.
And that will give someone the confidence.
Yes, but you also don't need to go off the pitch, off the bound of the Mbira, of the sound of the Mbira. You hear me, I am sounding exactly the same, with sometimes a little bit off, but this is how it is. So I'm trying to sing as exemplary to everybody, that if you follow those in every song, then you can play and sing.
And we've got an example of that with Jedze
yes,
as well,
yes, Jedze as well
earlier in this.
Yes, that we did that in every song. They are here, ha, ha, anyway.
Then the name Nyamaropa.
The name Nyamaropa is first is there's a place in north part of Zimbabwe that Nyanda is buried, so I heard, and that there's a place parallel to Guruwe, a place called Gurue, that is Nyamaropa. It's right at the border post of Zimbabwe, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique. So it's called Nyamaropa. But
is it meat and bones, blood? What's
yeah? It's been found to be meat, because nyama is meat, and then ropa is blood. So Nyamaropa is meat and blood, I think, meat and blood. But this is, I think, this is impression. This impression goes back to the hunters. The hunters. Our ancestors, they were hunting everywhere. They were hunters, living every place. They were all over the place of Zimbabwe, and they used to just hunt and eat meat, raw meat, and stuff like that. So I think that's this name refers to hunting meat and eating raw meat with blood.
So is it celebratory, or is it to do with remembering the ancestors? What, do you know?
I hear it, and it feels celebratory. It feels both, and I think this song feels both remembrance and also celebratory.
Lovely song. Thank you. We're having an incredible journey. We're coming towards the end of our time together for this instance. If you like this little group of videos, it gives an example of the sort of thing we're doing. There's plenty more. Which songs have we done so far? Neme Musasa, Bukatiende, Bavarira, some of the Gandanga ones, or Nemakonde from your different Nemakonde albums. Yes. If you get on board and support this project, you're not only going to just be getting every month a wealth of new video recordings and notation. Yes. You're going to be supporting us to carry on doing the same more and more, and just fill it up with all of the good stuff. So yeah, we hope to see you inside.
We love you.
We love you. Yeah.
So much.
It does feel like a real coming together of our passions. I mean, your creativity.
Yes.
And my website and my books.
Yes.
I'm helping to put it out there in a way that's digestible for people. But also for me, this time together has just been incredible, completely unexpected. If somebody said 2 years ago you were going to be sat next to Forward Kwenda for weeks, 24/7 recording, and I've heard some profound music, and met some amazing other people as well. Yeah, we want to share that journey with you. Step aboard, and then we can carry on journeying together.
Yes, we are part and parcel of this journey too.
Yeah.
We love you.
We need you. You need us.
Give you all these hugs. Yay!
Thank you. See you inside.
So